Hi, we are starting the portion of Ki Tetzeh in the Shabbat. And it says at the beginning, if or when you will go out to launch a war against your enemy, and the Almighty will give him in your hand, you are going to win. In the inner meaning of it, it speaks about the war against the evil inclination. And the reason that this portion is in this month is because this is the month of preparation for Rosh Hashanah. And obviously that we have continuous war against our own evil inclination. Now, to prepare ourselves for Rosh Hashanah, we need to ask ourselves, what is the standard, the spiritual standard that we are living according? In life, each one lives according to a certain standard. For example, with fashion, different people have a different standard. Some would like designer clothing, and some just simple clothing that are looking nice. It doesn't have to be designers. And when it speaks about Hollywood stars preparing for the Oscar, oh, how much they're paying for a designer, special designer to design for them the clothing for the event, which means each one of us have a different standard of life. The same is with food, the same is in the house, the same to what degree we clean our house, how clean the house need to be. It's in different areas of life we have standards. And each one of us, when we get to a certain level of standard, it's comfortable for us and we are staying in that level. The same way spiritually, we have standards and we are getting to a certain level spiritually, and then we are staying there. To change, to go to a different level, we needed to launch a war against our own evil inclination in order to change a standard. And this month has the energy. There is an abundance that coming from above to give our soul the strength to change standard. But we need to be aware of that, and we need to want to change a standard. So this is why in this month we have the time to do a counting of the soul in order to see how we behave till now, and if I want to change certain things and to upgrade my standards. In different areas of life, we are doing it automatically that we want to upgrade our life. Let's say we have a certain type of a car and we see the neighbor upgrading his car, we want to upgrade as well, and so on. So the idea of upgrading is, we are used to it, especially in the world of computers. Every time there is upgrade. But in the spiritual life, after we got comfortable in a certain level, it's hard to do the upgrading. And this is the time in which we should do the thinking about this and to choose to which level we wish to upgrade, how I'm wishing to see myself spiritually in this coming year, which attributes I wish to correct in myself, what I did wrong till now, and how I would like to behave now. I'm going to continue to speak evil tongue and slander, or I'm going to change it. I'm going to get angry for nonsense, or I'm going to change it. I'm going to be sad because someone told me something, or I'm going to change it. This is the war, and this is the decisions that we need to make before Rosh Hashanah is coming. Because if we are deciding and we are totally determined that this is what we want to do, then the change will take place. But if not, then not. I hope and wish that all of us will be able to upgrade our spiritual approach to life and to be blessed this coming year.